Hello everyone. Today in this video we will see an exercise on Tableau. The objective of this exercise is how to find running total in Tableau. This is basically dealing with the table calculations. I have imported the sheet, that is dataset named as global superstore. Order sheet is being imported. These are some different dimensions and the measures. So I'll be taking this particular order date. Then I'll be taking this particular sales. You just double click on the sales, so it will be appearing in the text label. Just write it. Just wrap it. Okay. I will just expand this. So I don't want this particular year and quarter. Just click and just click it. So again I will be taking this particular sales, this sum of sales, dragging and dropping it in the row shape. So now I'll be converting this particular sum of the sales. As you can see over here, it is nothing but continuous. So I'll be converting this into discrete. So it will be appearing in the form of table. So now you can find out both the columns which is having this particular sales amount. So 675, 133.67 to 14. So this is nothing but rounded off to 675, 134. So this is 133.67. So it is rounded off to 134. So now I have to create the running total of this particular sales. I will just click on this particular sales in the row shell. Go to this particular quick table calculation. Just click on running total. Yeah. Now you can find out a triangle over here. So it means that table calculations is being done, and you can find out over here running sum of the sales. Now I can expand this. Yeah. Just I will make it standard again. Yeah, I will just click on this particular tab so that the summary will appear. Yes. So now what is happening over here? This is nothing but the running sum of this particular what you can say numbers. So when I will be clicking on this particular number, and again I will be clicking on this, so it is showing me two items are being selected and the sum of sales is around 1218,873. So this is nothing but the same which is represented over here. If you are going to select any of the fields, say I am selecting this 3 fields, 4 fields. So I have selected this particular 4 fields. So the running total you can find out over here, 268793. So similarly, as I have selected this, so the running total or the running sum of sales is going to be appear over here. Yes. Likewise, you can do it. I hope you have understood. Thanks for watching.